Hey Nova faculty, this is Julie Quinn. I'm going to show you how to generate attendance reports if you use the attendance feature in Canvas, and then how to post them into the space that was created by our last division here at Woodbridge for those attendance reports. We used to give them by hand. Now we're expected to do them electronically. So let me show you what that looks like. If you go into the class in question, you'll have to go into each class. And this is only if you use this attendance feature. If you take another form of attendance, say you just do it separately in an Excel file, that's perfectly fine. You'll just need to attach that file. But let me show you what it looks like if you use the attendance feature in Canvas. You'll click on your attendance. I need to wait for it to upload. And this is just the grid form, but now you can see like the list form. So this is probably what you're used to seeing. If you go over to the right hand side with the settings, you can get an attendance report. You can just choose the start date and then an end date. You can choose the end of the term, and it will include every attendance session within those dates. So this would be for the spring term. Then all you have to do is run the report, and it's going to send you a link in your faculty email. So I'm running the report. Once you see a little notification here, and it will take probably less than a minute for the report to appear in my email. Okay, so now the report is in my email. You can actually see the email link here. It's not going to send you a file. This may be confusing for some people, but what it's going to do, it's going to send you a link that will then allow you to download the Excel file onto your desktop. What you'll see here is really interesting. You'll have all of your student names, then all of the dates of attendance. Mine's blank because that's just my faculty template, but this is what you'll save to your desktop or save somewhere. So if we go, if you want to browse, we can go to my Nova folder, and then I can create, if you want to, you can save it anywhere you want. Attendance 2020, and then you can go ahead and save it there if you want to. Save as, browse, Nova, attendance 2020, and then you've got the file. So that's half the battle, and that took maybe 2 minutes to do. So what you want to do now is you're going to want to go to the dashboard where our last division content is, just like this. You'll notice at the top where it says Spring 2020 attendance. You can go ahead and submit and choose your file. You go back to wherever you saved it. You can go to Attendance 2020 and you attach all of those files and you submit. Just like, and then you're done. So if you're teaching one class, you only submit one file. If you're teaching 5 classes, you submit 5 files. So that's the process. You'll know that everything is ready to go once you see the check mark for submitted. And bosses, that was a demo, so delete the file that I just submitted. So if you have any questions, let me know.